welcome. This is Shanna today for Trinity Stamps, here with a product preview for the new Sweet Holiday Wishes standalone die set. This die set contains 7 different pieces, including a 2-piece Christmas tree, the words Sweet Wishes, 2 different candy canes, and a peppermint patty. The Sweet Wishes is in a fun little scripty font. The candy canes actually go opposing directions so they can piece together even to make a heart as well. I did die cut these out of some cardstock to show some examples. That you can see the Christmas tree layers for an outline effect, almost like a cookie with icing. The 2 candy canes can definitely piece together to make a heart or scatter it in different directions across a card base. And the peppermint patty is an adorable little filler. The die cuts can be used in a variety of ways. On this card, I actually pictured them as gingerbread cookies and die cut them out of craft cardstock and then used white cardstock and stickles or glitter glue to accent the white and make it shine. This is a gatefold card, so I used the Sweet Wishes actually on the belly band to create my sentiment strip. This die set is currently available in the shop at trinitystamps.com as part of the Warm and Cozy new holiday release. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and I hope you have a great day. I will leave you with some more card examples from our talented creative team, and I hope they inspire you. Thank you.